The method I'm going to share today is going to make you at least $5,000 after you finish watching this video. This does not require you to sell anything online, neither do you need any audience, followers, whatsoever, because there is a tool that I'm going to share today that is going to make all of this possible. This is the best method to make money online. This is absolutely free to use, and you can achieve this sitting anywhere on this planet from the comfort of your home. Not only this, I will share a secret tip with you guys with which you can make extra money following this technique. How cool is that? This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I have personally been using this for almost 2 months now, and the results have been incredible. I have made over $7,000 by just giving 1 hour each day following this technique. Now it's time for my money crushers to start making thousands of dollars every month. This is going to be one of the most rewarding methods I have ever shared on my channel. Before I share the complete step-by-step process with you guys, make sure you sign up on PayPal, as you will be receiving your paychecks there. Just visit paypal.com and click on sign up. After that, fill in your details and you are ready to make some cash. Now it's time to reveal the website where all the magic is going to happen. The name of this free PayPal Cash website is Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Now it's time to share the secret website with all of you guys. I want you to open a browser window and head over to 99designs.com. Here you can see they provide world-class designs at your service. This is owned by a company called Vista, which is a leading name in the industry. Thousands of professional designers are using this website from all around the world. But don't worry, you won't be creating any designs yourself today. Now what I want you guys to do is to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website. And no, you will not be promoting this website as an affiliate or whatsoever. Instead, I have a completely new technique to make money out of this website. I want you guys to click on Design Contests listed here under the Design Services section. Once you click on that, you will be taken to this page. This is the place where you will be making loads of money online. Now I will be sharing a step-by-step process on using this design contest to make money fast. Now before I move on any further, I want my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Back to the website now, I want you to click on Show Filters and then filter the contest status to open. Once you do that, all the contests listed now will be the ones that you can currently participate in. As you can see here, loads of contests are open and some of them even have 0 entries, meaning if nobody else submits the designs in the remaining time frame, the amount listed on the left is yours. How amazing is that? I have personally submitted 4 designs today for these contests. This is one of the contests I am participating in. If you submit designs to all of these contests, then no one can stop you from making at least $1,000 out of this. Now I am going to show you how you can get these designs in under 5 minutes and potentially make hundreds of dollars every hour. So for example, if you want to participate in this contest here that is going to pay you $1,800. You can even check here, it says this contest is guaranteed, which means you will be getting your money definitely. Now on this page, you can read about the requirements for the design. They sometimes even include examples of what they are exactly looking for in the designs. Once you are through with the details, it's time to design the logo. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I bring the best methods out there. So today, you won't be making logos yourself. Instead, I'm going to share a website that is going to make the logo for you for free. Making money could not have been easier. I want you guys to open a new browser window now and type in freelogocreator.com. This is a completely free website that is going to design the logo for you in a couple of seconds. All you gotta do is enter your company name and select your industry. Let me show you an example. The name of my company is Money Crush, and I have selected the industry as Internet. Now watch the magic happen. Hundreds of beautiful logos have been designed by this website in just a couple of seconds. Choose the one you like and that fits the requirements posted in the design contest. After you select your logo, all you gotta do is submit it and wait for the results. My advice to you guys is to participate in maximum number of contests so that your chances of winning are high and a paycheck is guaranteed. Now for my money crushers who always want more out of everything, here is a secret tip for you. You can click on the edit button on any logo that the website created and modify literally everything. I would recommend you guys to edit a little bit here and there to fit the contest needs. You can edit the font, the shape, the colors, and even the logo design if you want. Following this tip will 100% increase your chances of winning the contest. Now it's time for some action, money crushers. Go ahead and follow this process to make thousands of dollars online for free. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.